Okay, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. This is the Market Beast. Hear me out. The thumbnail may be very bullish. That price target is very specific, but there's something very specific that must happen in order for BTC to go to 53,000. We're going to explain that in great detail in this video, so stick around until the end. Welcome back, loyal family. If you're new here, we love the story behind price action, and that's all we focus on. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? So today is July the 27th, 2021, and the current price of Bitcoin, $39,424.70, slightly negative 0.1% for the day. Welcome back, ASMR, interesting analysis. What we're going to focus on in this video is the 50 and the 200 on the 3-day candles. Watch this. There's a 50, there's a 200. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as of recently here, the market just found a reaction, aka a rejection so far that can change within the next 48 hours. So we need 48 hours. I need 48 hours to see if this 3-day candle is going to close above this green line. This green line represents the 50 exponential moving average. Now, if we can get a close above this level with the next 48 hours, so take notes of the level, just one level, $39,308. I realize it may be slightly above that level now, but again, this is an active 3-day candle. We have 1 day and 23 hours to close. All daily candles, well, all candles close 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this would be like, I guess on the 30th of July on 8 p.m. when this 3-day candle will officially close. We're looking for one level, guys. I repeat it. $39,307 is the current level of the 50 exponential moving average on the 3-day. If we can get a nice close above that level, yeah, I have to upgrade the price target to $53,000. I'm one of the only channels on YouTube has been very consistent about Bitcoin reaching 40,000 up to $48,000. Even when the times got rough, we were saying the same thing, guys. There must be a bounce. If the market moves lower, it will move higher first. It will liquidate your 50x short position, saying that Bitcoin is going down to $20,000. First, it will liquidate you, and then it will move lower, okay? No offense, guys. Just the guys who always challenge my calls, and I have to, kind of poke some fun at them sometimes. They poke the beast, so I poke back, right? All right, 48,000 is like right there. So this is the range that we've been saying for quite some time. 40,000 up to like 48,000 is kind of the range. So we've already got a wick at the $40,000 level. Let's see how much juice this momentum is behind the Bitcoin price over the next few days here. All right. And one of the reasons that I'm saying that if we can get a nice close above that level, because listen, listen, right? Notice this 3-day candle right here on April the 27th, 2020. Notice when we got to close above that green line there, that's a 50 exponential moving average. The market just went ballistic. I mean, it broke above that level and it started to consolidate, but it never broke back below that level. If we kind of scroll to the right, you see how it caught some really nice support at that level. So basically, if the 3-day breaks above that level and it stays above it, we may be headed back in a bull market. Okay, we're going to pull up the daily candles, and I'm going to explain to you all. I'm going to use the best verbiage that I possibly can so that we're all on the same page. Some are going to disagree, but I'm just going to go over it anyway. But just notice this kind of clustered area here in like September where it found support, and it just kind of continued going higher, guys. You see that? Beautiful. Look at that. All right, so this is a very critical level. And you see when it broke down here, we had that big drop to the downside. May the 16th, 2021, when it closed the candle below at 45,000. Yeah, just continue lower, guys, okay? Bitcoin is looking bullish. I've been saying that for so long, guys, so long. Bitcoin still looks bullish. Doesn't matter if the market is slightly down. Bitcoin looks bullish, okay? Keep saying it. $53,000 BTC incoming. Just has to close above that level. Let's put the daily candles here. Let's see what we have on the daily candles. So that I just want to make sure that we're all clear. I know the markets look really nice. Things are going up. Maybe people are saying we're back in a bull market. Let me just go ahead and correct you there. In terms of what I understand, Bitcoin is not back in a bull market. Bitcoin is in an overall uptrend, yes, but it is not back in a bull market. Is it still in a bear market? No, because is it still subjected to get back within a bear market? Absolutely. But it's currently not within a bear market because there's price activity taking place above the 200 exponential moving average. So as we mentioned on the last video, what we need to get out of this bull market is a really nice thrust higher, and then we need to consolidate above the 200 for some time so that this can act as a pulling effect for the green 50 exponential moving average. And what that would do is that would allow the actual green line to start to curl up and actually recross above the red line, and then the market will be back within a technical bull market. And just kind of illustrating how that would look, something like that. And then that would mean that we're back within an official bull market if you see something of that gesture. Okay, but we need this 3-day, the green line, to cross back above that red line in order for it to be officially back within a bull market. Right now it's not in a bull market, okay, but it's no longer in a bear market. It's just in an uptrend. That's it. It's just in an overall uptrend pending what's going to take place next. Bitcoin still needs to make a new high, although it did make a higher high than the previous high at about $36,000. Right now it needs to break above the $40,000 level and stay above that level in order to continue to propel the price to the upside. The sellers still have a very unique opportunity to take back, to take back control of the short-term downtrend. The market is still subjected to a short-term downtrend if the price is staying below $40,000. I'll say that again. The overall trend is to the upside. The short-term downtrend started when the market was stopped out at about $65,000. Okay? Made the highest level up, lower high, down. It's been walking down the stairs, okay? 40,000 down, okay? Walking down the stairs. Right now, it is the moment for Bitcoin to break above 40,000 so that it can technically be in a beautiful position to truly break beyond the short-term downtrend. Because if it breaks above 40,000, the only thing it needs to do at that point is stay above 40,000 and consolidate, and off to the sky Bitcoin goes. Yeah, it wouldn't have an issue breaking near that $53,000 level here in a short period of time, guys. Oh yeah, but I still think the market needs a sufficient amount of sideways consolidation, something similar to what I just put on the screen there on the path. So let's wait and see what happens. My thesis is still the same. 40,000 up to 48,000. We may need to upgrade it to the thumbnail, 53,000, if the market breaks above that one level that we went to go over on the beginning of the video. I just, went over this information just in case you guys wanted to understand whether or not we're still in a bull market or a bear market. And hopefully that explanation is clear enough for us all to be on the same page. It's not in either of the two, a bull market or a bear market, technically speaking, from the daily data that's here in front of me on the 50 and the 200 exponential moving averages. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. So leave an appropriate thumb just below the video if you enjoyed the content, and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm can promote the video. If you're new, my name is Napoleon Macro, if I didn't already say that. We also covered the traditional stocks if you're into that. 7 days a week, so kindly join us here on this very unusual journey at times, and we'll send you that information when it is available. All right. Appreciate you for stopping out. Be sure to take care of yourselves. Always be kind. We'll talk soon. Execute your strategies, not mine. Okay. And bye for now.